Hey everyone, getting too many notifications can make it harder to focus, while missing important updates can slow down your projects. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage notifications in Asana, customize alerts, and create a notification setup that works better for your workflow. So yeah, let's get started. First, open Asana and sign in to your account. Click your profile picture and open the Settings menu. From there, go to the Notifications section, where you can control how Asana sends you updates. Inside the notification settings, you can manage email notifications. Asana can send updates about tasks, conversations, project changes, and other activities. Choose which emails you want to receive and turn off updates that are not important for you. Next, manage browser notifications. These alerts appear while you're using Asana on the web. Enable browser notifications if you want quick updates, or disable them if you prefer fewer interruptions during your workday. You can also control notifications for individual projects. Open a project and review its notification settings. Choose whether you want updates about tasks, status changes, comments, or other project activity. For specific tasks, you can follow or unfollow updates depending on your role. If you need to stay informed about a task, turn notifications on. If a task is no longer relevant, remove yourself from updates to reduce unnecessary alerts. Asana Inbox helps you manage notifications from across your workspace. Instead of checking multiple projects, you can review updates in one place, respond to comments, and quickly handle important changes. If you use Asana on mobile, you can customize notifications from the mobile app settings. Choose which alerts appear on your device so you can stay updated without being overwhelmed. To create a better notification system, keep only the alerts that help you take action. Turn off unnecessary updates, organize your inbox regularly, and review your settings whenever your workflow changes. A cleaner notification setup can make a big difference. And that's how to manage notifications in Asana. By customizing alerts, controlling project updates, and organizing your inbox, you can stay informed while keeping distractions under control. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Asana tutorial.